Welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. This is a video just doing an unboxing, but mainly showing you how I handle packages that were delivered by Amazon, since I am getting Amazon packages, or either packages that were delivered by friends or family or otherwise. This is the most recent thing that I picked, that I had to go to my door and get, that was sent to me, and this is a KEURIG. I opted for this KEURIG because this gives me more counter space. Oh, first of all,
Close the door.
no, we could keep going.
And I opened the door to see.
We already did.
No, she was in the way.
No.
A few moments later.
just a 1 cup serving, so I still kept my other one in case if I have a lot of guests over, whatever, we can just kind of pop that coffee out one back to back. But this one is just a single Keurig, and I already cleaned it out. You know, it gives you instructions how to clean it by adding water to it, turning it on, and all that jazz. But this portion of the video, I want to show you how I actually set it up. I already had this set up for the coffee, the Keurigs, which is just some glass jars that I picked up from, I think, Dollar General a while back. And so I'm going to just get rid of this space, this little bracket too, so I can have more space. So because I had a couple of these lying around that don't really fit in my kitchen drawer, because I bought them when I lived, before I moved into this apartment. So I have this like spoon holder thing from IKEA, and I have some glass frames that, some glass that came out of frames that were given to me that I never used. I ended up hanging up the picture on the wall in decoration form without the glass. I'm just going to sit the glass, balance it out on this portion of this, and sit the Keurig on top.
And push it back a little first. Put the Keurig on top of it, because it's nice and compact.
Back and small like that. And I'm going to get something to stick this to this so it won't move all the time, because this glass can be dangerous. And then after that, I'm just going to take the coffees that I have, and I'm just going to start putting them in. And it looks like it only fits 2 per row here. So I'm just going to do every other with the flavors. And I've already found a new home for the rest of the coffee in the meantime. But this is just to make it look like a nice setup, plus cute, plus convenient. So once you have that in, the glass goes all the way to here. So I'm just going to push it back into the corner. And that'll go ahead and take this out of the way, because we no longer need that there. And if I want, I can line up a few more coffees, because the glass right there, you have space where the glass, you can sit a couple up on top of there, so I'll do that. If I were OCD, I'd probably turn these all the right way. So I just thought for this video, I'll turn them all facing the right way, which is this solid bottom part facing down, just to make it look uniform and neater. And then this is what you have. So just want to say thank you for staying to the end of the video. I really appreciate you.